Have you ever dreamed of owning a farm yourself? What are in your farm? A house? A baler? A windmill? A cow? Why not all? Let's get started. At first, open Winder. There are 3 types: Earth Spirits, Rolling Goblins, and Ocean Voyagers. In the Earth Spirit, there is a cow from the bottom. Click on the upper right side corner, we are presented the customized design interface, including the color, decoration elements, various Lego parts, and text. If we want to change the position, the size, or even delete the part we don't want, just click those buttons. We can choose to hide or show the clockwork by clicking the button on the right. Zoom in or out to check details. Click on the upper right side corner to finish our design. Now we can either redo or print. If we want another one, just repeat the previous steps, then we'll get more farm animals.